Constipation can be a huge hassle. Not only can it be uncomfortable and make you feel bloated, but it can literally sometimes be a pain in the ass. I'm Dr. Rena, Malik, urologist and pelvic surgeon, and believe it or not, having constipation can very often make your urinary symptoms much, much worse. So people who are constipated can have one of two presentations. They can either have urinary incontinence where they're leaking quite often and more often when they're constipated, or they can have urinary retention where that constipation is actually making it more difficult for them to empty their bladder. But a lot of my patients don't want to try medications for constipation. They want natural options. So today I'm going to share my bowel recipe that I share with all of my patients to help them with constipation. So to make this bowel recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of applesauce, 1 cup of coarse unprocessed bran, and 3/4 of a cup of prune juice. You're going to mix this together and it's going to make a pasty consistency. You're going to take this paste and every day you're going to take 2 teaspoons of this in the evening with a full glass of water, and that's going to help you evacuate or have a bowel movement in the morning. You can continue to increase the amount that you give yourself as long as you're increasing your water intake as well until you get a bowel movement of the desired consistency. Now, what does that mean? Well, you want your bowel movement to be soft. You don't want it to be loose or runny. You don't want it to be hard like milk does. You want it to be soft so that it comes out without needing to really push or strain a very significant amount. One thing to look out for is you might notice that the first couple weeks you do this, you get a little bit more bloating, a little bit more gas, but that should improve over time. Also, I think a lot of people are shocked when I tell them this, so I'm going to share it with you, that the large majority of Americans do not get enough fiber in their diet. So don't worry that you're going to take in too much fiber. The average recommended is about 36 milligrams, and the average amount an American takes in is 11 grams, barely a third of what is needed during the day. So hopefully this helps you have softer bowel movements without having to take any medications. But if you are not seeing results with this, please see your primary care doctor or a gastroenterologist. If you have a sudden change in your stool consistency or blood in your stool, you definitely need to see a gastroenterologist to get worked up for other causes or concerns of blood in the stool or changes in your bowel consistency. And that's it for today. As always, remember to take care of yourself because you're worth it.